welcome back to the channel. A few of you have downloaded the free avatars that were offered in a previous video. I want to show you how you can use the avatars. By the end of this video, you will see a final product that I made using the avatars I gave to you. So stay tuned to the end.
Once you open your download in Canva, you'll see the screen. It might say open or it might say edit. Click this. You should be able to select these and move them around. Some of them I gave prompts for. I didn't remember the prompt for all of them when I started creating this. So these are the prompts if you want to try to recreate these again. And I used Midjourney to make all of these avatars. Don't export it at this size. I want you to make them bigger. Take this, select them, and then you want to copy them, right? Then you want to go into another project, paste it, and make him bigger. Because then when you export it, you're getting the best quality image in the first place. Because see, even he looks better than him. Like this image, page 3, looks better than the upscaled image. He looks still a little funky. Now, if you're using DID within Canva, you're going to come over here and you're going to look for apps. Then you can scroll down. It should be here, DID. If not, you can search for it up here. So you'll click DID. You're going to scroll down. You're going to log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Hit connect. Okay, once you're logged in, you'll be able to upload your image, right? So you're going to select this image. You're going to upload it. Okay, it's there. Now you can type in your scripts here. Choose your language. They have voices here. You can preview.
Welcome, friend.
Let's see. Oh, he's a guy, so let me see a guy's voice. And then you can type the style, change the style that you want. Let's do cheerful.
Welcome, friend.
Now, I don't really like these. They sound very computer generated. So what you could do is click on upload audio. And then you can, if you have a voiceover that you use already or made someplace else, you can upload it there. But I like to use 11 Labs. If this is the screen you should see, Voice Lab. If you're like just signing up for it. And then you should be able to add a voice that you clone, so you can record your voice inside of 11 Labs, and then it'll alter it a little bit inside of here. So this is my voice that I made. This does not sound like me to me, but
I'd rather regret the things that I have done than the things that I have not done.
That's one version, and here's another version.
Whatever happens, take responsibility.
And then these voices I did a compilation of children's sounds, laughing and talking, and made this voice.
Wrinkles should merely indicate where smiles have been.
But they have other voices that they've generated, and then pre-made voices. So here's a guy's voice.
A man is not old as long as he's seeking something.
Select it, and here you can adjust the settings. When you're doing style exaggeration, it adds a little bit more personality to the voice, but too high and it becomes a little bit unstable. So you want to do like a little bit in this area, 50 something, no more than 60 maybe. And then you can play with these sliders and then see what you like. And then you would type in your script here, and then you would hit generate. I'm not going to waste any of my points. I don't have that many. But yeah, that's how you would make your audio. Then you would just come back to Canva. You would come back in Canva. You would hit upload audio and upload the audio that you just made from 11 Labs. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to use up my credits, and I'm not going to use this video. But you'll get the idea once you export yours. After it processes, it's going to put the video on your canvas, and then you can export it from Canva. So now in my particular program, DaVinci Resolve is a free program. If you're it works on iPads as well as desktops, both Mac and PC. Now you have to go to their website and get the proper version, but for your iPad, it needs to be the M3 chip. It works best on that one. So if you're gonna use this, you're gonna click on the image. You're gonna click down here at Fusion. You're gonna do Shift and Spacebar. You're gonna type in Delta, and you're looking for Delta Kia. Click Add, and then come over here, grab this little dropper, and it removes the background like that. Okay, and then you go back to Edit. Put him on, put a background behind him, however you want. I have an example of what I ended up doing. So,
have you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, but for whatever reason you don't want to get on camera? Well, I have a solution for you. I can teach you how to create me, a talking avatar that's cute and interesting to look at. I can be a woman riding a motorcycle.
Or a grown man sitting in a chair, by myself, trying to show you the versatility of your imagination.
That was a snippet from a video ad I made for a course I plan to create. I use various tools to add motion to the background image, add the puff of smoke and the motorcycle humming. I want to also show you how you can upscale an image if you ever need to.
It looks a little bit blurry for some reason. I believe, is it here? Here, image upscaler. Canva has an upscaler that you can upscale your images. I didn't have to upload it here. Okay, so upscale amount. Let's just do 4 just for the sake of it. We're going to leave it on standard. Choose the file. Open. Upscale the image. Okay, it gives you before and after. So before, and look at how much better after.
If you are watching this video but didn't get the free avatars, they will be linked in the description. And if you want to learn more about having a faceless brand and creating, selling, and marketing digital products, the link for that is in the description as well. Look out for the next video on what digital product you can make with these or other avatars. I love you for watching.